After understanding the subatomic particles, the nature of the subatomic particles, let us move to the models of the atom. Many people, many scientists have been actually trying to find out the exact model or the exact structure of the atom. And in this respect, the different people, different scientists have, with the pass of the time, have given different models. The first in this line was the J.J. Thomson's model of atom. So in the atomic models topic, we will first study the J.J. Thomson's model of atom. Now, according to this J.J. Thomson, the atoms are spherical in shape with whole of their mass uniformly distributed throughout the atom. And in this uniformly distributed spherical atom are lying positively charged or negatively charged electrons which are embedded in this, like we have raisins in the puddings, or we have the seeds of the watermelon in the watermelon. He also said that whole of the positive charge is also uniformly distributed throughout the atom, and in that positive charge and the whole of the mass, these negatively charged electrons are embedded like this. Because of this only, his model was also called raisin pudding model, or it is also called plum pudding model. So let me repeat you again. According to the J.J. Thomson's model of atom, the atoms are spherical in shape and whole of the mass and the positive charge is uniformly distributed throughout the atom, and in this the negatively charged electrons are embedded here and there, like we have seeds of a watermelon in the watermelon, or we have raisins in the puddings. Now this model, though he was able to explain the electrical neutrality of the atom, how the atom is electrically neutral because the whole of the positive charge and negative charge, the positive charge is distributed and that is being neutralized by the negatively charged electrons. But this model was very soon rejected because it was not able to explain the alpha particle scattering experiment which was done by Rutherford and his students. So mainly because he was not able to explain why the alpha particles are getting scattered in the famous Rutherford's alpha particle scattering experiment, this model was rejected. There is one more reason. He was not able to explain the stability of the electrons in the atom, because we cannot imagine to have a negatively charged particles resting on the positive charge, whole of the positive charge, and in that sense what will happen is the charges gets neutralized. We can't have the independent existence of the positive and the negative charges. Whereas we have seen in the cathode ray and the anode rays experiments that these particles are existing independently in all the matter. So these are the few reasons because of this J.J. Thomson's raisin pudding model was rejected.